Hey, it's Tiffany from Play, Live, Repeat, and I'm in the J at Play booth at New York Toy Fair. This is part 1 of a very long video, so stay tuned for part 2. We're going to start with Jelly Bath. Jelly Bath has a bunch of new varieties like Jelly Bath Spa, and now they have the license for Ryan's World, so this is going to be super fun. Moving on to Popsies. Popsies is one of my favorite toys of 2020. I think these are the cutest little things. They're popsicles, and inside when you open it up, it becomes a little world of figures and accessories, and you could decorate it. I only opened up 2. I was only able to find 2 at Target, so if you find them, grab them. They go really, really fast. Moving on to Huggables. Huggables are really adorable plush. They're gigantic and squeezable, and they come in a lot of fun varieties like sloths and unicorns and rabbits. And if you don't like big plushies, you can get the Huggables minis. They come in packs. J at Play is all about surprises, so they package them really nicely. The Smart Ball is really cool if you're into playing soccer or you just want to stay active and keep track of it. It keeps track of all your movement to make play really, really challenging. Here I am making a fool of myself. Stuffaloons will revolutionize the way we party and the way we decorate. Have you ever seen those balloons with like things inside of them and just wonder how they do it? Well, the Stuffaloons totally answers all these questions, and you can make these amazing balloons at home. I personally tried to get these for my son's party, and they are very, very expensive. I wanted to decorate his christening with these kinds of balloons, and they're like $50 per centerpiece. So now you could make them at home, and they also come with these little variety packs with mystery balloons for some fun pretend play. PlayPlaywrights are a new way to keep your kids' room nicely lit. They have these adorable varieties like unicorns and parrots, and you could take them apart and rebuild them and make different like animals. So these are really awesome. They're like the Mr. Potato Head of night lights. Plus they also respond to music, so if you play music, the light changes with the beat. New Wish Me Alive figures are interactive figures, and just like the Wish Me plush, they're very, very interactive. They respond to kisses, and when you blow in their direction, they respond to you as well. New variations for Wish Me Plus. You could check out this adorable puppy over here. He's so super cute, or she's so super cute. Finally, JamBrites are a new way to party. They are your own personal Bluetooth speaker, and they also respond to music. They change their mood with each sound. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow me at TikTok at ToyMom. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much to J at Play for this amazing tour. Stay tuned for part 2.